Hey everybody, it's Mike over at Taxes and Bricks. Welcome to episode 65. Today is Lego Day! Woo! We're gonna do some fun stuff today. I've got a box. I've got another box. I got another box. And for once, I know what's in them. So, won't spoil it. I'm gonna open these for you. I'm also gonna show you, I finished the Scout Trooper and I finished Mandalorian helmet. So I'm gonna show you those actually first, because I already put them up on the wall. You already saw me do a construction project once. You don't need to see me do it again. So I'm gonna show you those. So there's 6 helmets up on the wall now, soon to be 8, because I'm gonna finish 2 more, probably maybe tonight, tomorrow, over the weekend. And then helmets will be done, and whatever. So, hang on one second. Let's go over to the wall, see what's going on. Doesn't that look nice? 6 beautiful helmets all up on the wall on their brackets. I rearranged them too a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to put them in the order of when they were released, or I'm just going to pick some kind of order that I like. Right now, they're quasi-symmetrical in the sense that you've got, you know, Stormtrooper and TIE Fighter, which kind of have the same shape and a similar look to them. And then in the middle is like that odd, weird, thin Scout Trooper one. And then you've got Mandalorian and Boba Fett. Oop, Mandalorian's little plaque is off. Which, you know, kind of similar shaped. And then you've got Luke Skywalker in the middle. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep them this way. Who knows? So, kind of fun. Up on the brackets. Again, 2 more coming. Darth Vader and the Dark Trooper. So, fun. And I think what I'll probably do, actually, now that I look at them, is I'm probably just going to line up the other 2 over here. Because I think they're doing like 4 at a whack. But then again, I don't know if I'm going to have enough room above over here. I don't know. Decisions. Hashtag first world problems. Anyway, so there you go. I got Mandalorian. And I got the Scout Trooper done over the last couple days. 2 more to come. And let's get to opening some boxes. So as I said, I've got some boxes. And I know what's in them. And I'm pretty sure I know exactly what's in each box. So we're going to open up the medium-sized box first. All right. Pull up it. Very excited for this because I'm going to show you, actually haven't pulled it out yet, but I'm going to show you, I'm going to do this set in conjunction with another set that I've had for a while and I've been dying to put together, but when I heard a rumor that this one was coming out, I said, you know what, I'm going to wait because they're kind of not the same, but similar, and you'll see why in a second. Paper. Transformers. Yes. So excited. Never thought I would ever see Lego Optimus Prime. I don't know. I'm just... hang on one second, though. Don't go anywhere. Because alongside Optimus Prime, I will be putting together, finally, my Voltron. I mean, really? Is there anybody in the world more excited than I am? Nope. Very exciting. Optimus Prime, old school Voltron. Voltron's been out for a bazillion years. I did not get it when it was new. I mean, this is new. This is never... It smells like new Lego. It's never been opened. It's in pristine condition. It is... Wow. But I did buy it aftermarket, so I did pay a little bit more than what you would have paid if you'd bought it originally when it first came out. But it's so worth it. So worth it. Anyway, Optimus Prime, Voltron, very excited. Okay, so I'm going to open the smaller box because it's related to what's in the larger box. Crack this guy open. I'm excited for what's in this box too. And I actually may skip watching television tonight before I go to sleep and thumb through limited edition Lego Technic Ferrari SP3 Daytona coffee table book. Oh, still wrapped in the plastic. I have number 1483 of 5,000, so very limited. I tried to buy 2. I got shut out. I only got one. I was gonna buy two just to have whatever, but anyway, very exciting. There's pictures of the actual Daytona in here. There's pictures of the actual Lego set in here. I'm very excited, and I can't wait to thumb through that. However, not as excited as I am to see this. These were all June 1st releases. This is funny, like, this must have been, I don't know, earmarked perhaps for a retail store, because there's a big sign on it to the retailer that says, do not put on shelves before June 1st. I mean, they're serious about this stuff. And it's funny, too, because every once in a while, like, a retail store will screw up, and they'll put out a Lego set that's embargoed until a certain date early, and all over the internet you just get pictures, and it's crazy, so. All right, I don't know how the heck I'm going to get this thing out of here, because this thing fills the box, but very excited. I think I can just lift. Ugh. Wow, this thing is heavy. And it's also upside down. This is amazing. Here it is, the Technic Ferrari Daytona SP3. And this is this year's Supercar, the 2022 Supercar. So in the same vein as the Lambo and the orange Porsche and the Bugatti, yeah. My problem with this 3,778 pieces, which I think pretty much makes it the largest Technic Supercar set that's been out there. My problem with these is I get about halfway done and I don't get bored so much as I just I'm not making as much progress. They take a long time, and I'm, kind of a instant gratification kind of guy. So anyway, I end up putting them aside, and then like those, 6 months later, I come back and just finish them. So we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll use start to finish. Maybe I'll take like a 2-week vacation from work and put this sucker together. But I'm very excited about this. I think it's gonna look really great up on the shelves with the other supercars, and I'm super excited. So, yeah. So, helmets, Ferrari book, Optimus Prime, Voltron. Very excited. It's a good day for Lego here at Taxes and Bricks. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I reply to and answer all of them. We're trying to get up the subscribers here. I'm at 140 or 141. I can't remember. And the rule still stands. If I can get up to 1,000, I get to buy myself a GoPro, and I can stop recording videos on my iPhone. So very excited about that. Hopefully we can get the subscribers up. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.